Today on Rough Riders, we are going to be smoking some absolutely amazing crack burgers, so stick around. Welcome to Rough Riders, I'm Jay. So today we are going to be smoking some amazing blue cheese burgers. We call them crack burgers because these things are so good. So for the recipe, what you're going to need is a pound of ground beef. You're going to need half a cup of blue cheese crumbles. You're going to need a quarter cup of some bacon crumbles. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing mix, a cup of cheddar cheese, and some salt and pepper to taste. I'm using Kinder's Burger Blend, which is salt, pepper, and some garlic. First thing I'm gonna do is add my egg to my ground beef. And that helps pull all the burgers, or all the hamburger together so it doesn't fall apart on you. Next, I'm gonna throw in a quarter cup of bacon crumbles and get that all mixed in. I'm gonna throw in the 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing mix. We're gonna mix in our cheddar cheese, throw in our blue cheese, and our sour cream. And then some of our salt, pepper, and garlic to add just a little bit more flavor. To make our patties, I've got this really cool little burger press here that makes like perfect patties. Drop them in, and then you got a little press right here. With the patties made, we're gonna now take them out and put them on the smoker. So next, we're gonna throw them on the smoker for an hour. I've got the smoker set to 180 degrees, which is the lowest setting on my Rectech grill. In about 30 minutes, I'll come back out, I'll flip them over to the other side, and then we'll finish them off in the kitchen on a hot cast iron skillet. Okay, we're 30 minutes in, we're gonna flip these over and see how they look. Okay, the burgers are done, and so now we're just gonna throw them on a hot skillet. I've got that thing heated up to about 400 degrees, and we're gonna sear them about 30 seconds on each side, and then they should be done and ready to eat. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. These are absolutely amazing burgers. Top them as you see fit, but really they don't even need it. They're so good. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time here on Rough Riders.